Hello guys, today for video, magprito ako ng daing na dalag. Yan guys, so masarap to guys. Sausaw sa suka guys. Kailangan malutong ang pagprito nito guys. Let's go. At saka ternuhan natin ng hotdog. Yan guys. Yan ang lulutuin ko ngayon guys. Let's go guys. Hello guys, good evening. Kung sino nakakilala nito guys, ito yung tinatawag namin na daing. Daing. Okay, so kung sino nakakilala nito guys, sarap to guys. Let's go. Ready ko na i-prito guys. Yan, nakahiwa to guys. Kailangan natin hiwain yung kaninang pinakita kong daing. Tsaka, ito guys, hotdog. Yan guys, yan na yung daing. Pinirito ko na guys. Yan, kailangan malutong-lutong yan guys. Tapos pagkatapos, isawsaw natin sa suka maanghang. Masarap ang kain natin guys. Let's go! Hello guys, yan na yung daing. Luto na guys. Ready na isawsaw sa suka na maanghang guys. Kain na tayo guys. At saka itong hotdog. Yan.